another Al Falah student has been arrested by the NIA. Nisar Alam has been taken into custody from Bengal, is what we're learning. And this, of course, comes as part of the Delhi 10/11 blast investigation. My colleague Shreyasi with us for more details. Shreyasi, we're learning another student from Al Falah University has now been taken into NIA custody. Nisar Alam was studying there and he's been arrested from Bengal. Take us through more.
Well, this has been reported in the morning where locals have claimed that the NIA has arrested another medical student, and this time from Uttar Dinajpur here in West Bengal. He was studying in Al Falah, and of course that university is under the scanner of the NIA linked to the Delhi blast, considering the three doctors have links to this particular university. The family has so far said that he was picked up while he was at the marketplace this morning and has been taken to Siliguri, where the Bagdogra airport is. But the NIA has so far officially not given any statement of an arrest from Uttar Dinajpur. These are reports that have been coming in from Uttar Dinajpur in North Bengal, where this particular youth had come in with his family to celebrate his cousin's wedding. And that's when the NIA officials who had earlier reached his father in Ludhiana and was then directed to Uttar Dinajpur, where he was attending this family function and has now been taken by the NIA. We are waiting for an official statement from the National Investigative Agency that is probing this terror attack that had taken place in Delhi earlier.
Thank you, Shreyasi, for joining us and bringing us those details.